Welcome to the Neon Kitchen, where we'll be making the Doughnut Chicken Sandwich. And for those of you with high blood pressure, stop watching the video! You don't need this sandwich! You fat fuck! You don't need it! Hello, baby Ashley. How are you this evening? I don't know. Could I have a smoke break? I'm sorry our voices sound alike. It's very strange. Sure, baby Ashley, you can go have a smoke break. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Neon Kitchen, where today we'll be making the Doughnut Chicken Sandwich. We've got donuts, a chicken breast, 2 bowls, an egg, and some seasoning and some breadcrumbs. And just like baby Ashley said, do not make this sandwich if you plan on living a long, healthy life. And by long, healthy life, I mean like the next 2 years, because we're all not going to make it with the coronavirus. You're going to need an oven. Also remember, do not let your kids or babies near the stove. Case in point, baby Ashley. Okay, boys and girls, now is the fun part. We get cracking and making this meal. Alright, so what you're going to need is 1 thick chicken breast. I don't know where you would get thick chicken breast on the normal, but this is thick chicken breast. Alright, so you're going to need your bowl with your egg in it, and then you're going to need your breadcrumbs and your seasonings, because we want this to taste exactly like the KFC chicken sandwich. We want it to taste like slavery, okay? We want it to taste like that. Alright. You're going to cut it. And then, we don't use real plates around here. We use paper plates. So, you're going to throw that in the trash. And then you're going to season your chicken. Now, remember to exactly coat the chicken in the seasoning you want. If you're not okay with Italian seasoning, you could, just use salt and pepper, but I actually like the Italian seasoning because that's what they use, honestly, with KFC chicken. Haha, broke your secret. Alright, so you're gonna season your chicken correctly. Don't salt it, because we don't want to die here. You're gonna season your chicken. Make sure you get it seasoned evenly. This thing's broken. It's going to season your chicken. Make sure you season it real good. And you get your pepper. And you just sprinkle up a little bit up there. Just flip it over. Sprinkle a little bit up there. Not too much. And you get your salt. And you hit it with a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt. Not too much. You don't want to die here. You don't want to end up dying of high blood pressure. You have high blood pressure. But if you have high blood pressure, like I said earlier in the video, do not eat this sandwich. Get your garlic powder, your onion powder. Flip it over. And you season it a little bit more. And now for the fun part. Beating your chicken. Here's your egg. Just beat your chicken real hard. You don't want to beat it too fine, because then you'll leave a bruise or a rash. Don't do that. Alright, so now for the fun part. Putting your chicken in eggy stuff. Yep, just do that. Put your chicken inside the egg. Some of you will never do that because you use tumbler. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that real good. Some of you will never see a vagina. That's fine. All right. So you want to coat it. Get it nice and coated. You want to make sure it's coated and real good. All right. So now we have our coated chicken. You want to sprinkle a little bit up there more. Just sprinkle it. Just make sure it's all evenly coated. All right. Now, for the fun part, throwing your chicken into a frying pan. Okay, so we've got our olive oil. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn up the heat to, wrong burner, we're going to turn up the heat to a little bit of the middle here. Not too high. You don't want to burn your chicken or your pan. Don't want to do that. So we're going to let that heat up a little bit. And then we're going to take a word from our sponsor.
The Power Rangers are fighting for their lives.
It's time to destroy the Rangers.
Astronomer's back, and this time the evil queen is testing the Rangers to the max.
Let's go.
Every weapon in their vast arsenal will be needed. Catch the adventures of the Power Rangers in space tomorrow afternoon, only on Fox Kids.
Alright, boys and girls. Now we're going to put our chicken in the frying pan. And remember, kids, don't try this at home. Don't have babies in the kitchen either. I don't know where baby Ashley is. She's just, I think she left. I think she called the union.
We have a union?
My producer says we don't have a union. Okay, so, as you can see, our chicken is in the frying pan and it's cooking right now. Now, what you're going to want to do is once you get the chicken ready, you want to get some tongs, because you don't want to flip this with a fork. If you flip it with a fork, you're liable to burn your fucking hands off. So, what you do is go get your tongs. Just like these. Okay, so we have our tongs. Well, they're ready, and willing and able, and they've got cable. Okay. So we're gonna watch our chicken to make sure it doesn't burn on this one side, which doesn't take very long to cook chicken. People think it's a fucking science to cook chicken. It is not a science to cook chicken. If you can't cook chicken, what are you doing in the kitchen? Honestly, can't cook it, what are you doing? If your wife can't cook chicken, you need to get you a new wife. Okay. Alright, so. Now, here's a word of advice. Word of advice when you're in the kitchen. Make sure your workspace is clean. I've seen cooking videos which have the worst workspace possible. And it's always been a pet peeve of mine to have a clean workspace whether I'm cooking or making other videos. So please make sure that your workspace is clean no matter what you do. This has been a message. Alright, we're going to check that side of the chicken now. We're going to check it, make sure it's cooking correctly. Oh, got a little bit of pop here. Got a little pop. Make sure it's cooking. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Oh, that looks great. Give it another 5 minutes. Give it another 2 minutes. Okay, give it another 2 minutes. Alright. So, we are going to get a fork, though. We are going to get a fork. And we're going to poke holes in the chicken. Make sure it cooks evenly all the way through. We don't want raw chicken, especially with the coronavirus. Gonna poke some holes in it. Okay, poke some holes. And now we're going to flip our chicken. We're going to flip our chicken. It looks a little crispy on that side. Yeah. A little crispy. That's what we wanted. We wanted it to be a little crispy.
Looks a little burnt.
Our producer says it's burnt.
Wait, I'm not the producer. I'm just the cameraman. When did I become the producer?
Our producer says our chicken is burnt, but our producer doesn't know anything about chicken. How is Babby formed? Oh, it's starting to smell real good in here. starting to smell real good. What you're going to want to do is get you a plate. You're going to want to get you a plate ready and put some napkins on it. As you can see, there is no napkin plate. We're going to work on that here. Like my producer is staring at me in my phone, so we're going to get that ready while she watches the chicken. We're professional.
As professional as YouTubers can be.
We're professional here with Neon Dungeon. We love our professionalism here. Okay. Alright, so our producer is now washing the chicken to make sure it doesn't burn. I'm over here getting everything ready for this sandwich. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is make sure your chicken is cooked. You're going to make sure your chicken's cooked. So you're going to want to get a fork and a knife. So I get a fork and a knife. I'm going to hold the fork. I'm going to cut the chicken. See if there's any pink left. Yeah, there's some pink in there. We're going to give it another. We're going to flip it over. Oh man, it looks crispy. This is what we want. We want that crispy, burnt chin steak to the chicken sandwich. Because that's what happens at KFC. That's what we want. It's a little crispy, but that's what we want.
Look at that bacon sizzle.
Alright, so we got the chicken. Just like what we wanted. We're going to flip it over again. Make sure that chicken's ready. It looks like burnt monstrosity. That's what we wanted here. Alright, we're going to give it another minute. And then we're going to check our chicken again on this side to make sure that it's all nice and cooked. That looks good. That looks good. Alright, I think our chicken is ready. So we turn off the fire. And we're going to get our tongs. And we're going to pick up our chicken. Drop it up on the plate. Let it sit for a second. And then we'll get the other process started on making the sandwich. My producer is singing. Okay.
I'm the action music.
Alright, so we have our donuts, right? As you can see, we have Krispy Kreme donuts. These are not the donuts they use in the sandwich. I'm not going to go to the dollar store and get dollar store donuts. We want a really good sweet taste with these donuts. So, move this shit out of the way. Open the microwave. The microwave is kind of filthy. Something exploded, but we're professional here. All right, so you're gonna put it on for 30 seconds. Okay, our donuts are ready. We're gonna pop our donuts out. Look at that. Look at that crispiness. Look at that sweet glaze that's glazing off this donut. All right. Are we ready? We're ready. All right. We got our chicken. It's a little bit gooey. A little bit gooey. All right, we're going to place our chicken on our donut. And then we're going to take our donut, which is still hot, place it on top, move it into frame. And there we have it, the KFC Doughnut Chicken Sandwich. Now, you're probably wondering, hey Josh, are you going to eat this thing? And that answer to you is, fuck no. But I have to. And do I want to eat it? Fuck no. But this is what I do for you people. I eat fucking horrible things like this. Now, we're gonna take a minute to look at it. Look at its masterful craftsmanship. Here at the Neon Dungeon. My producer is laughing. Great. Alright, so. Oh, it's still kind of hot. Oh, it's still kind of hot here.
Cut it in half?
You gonna eat half?
Oh, I already have high blood pressure. No, thank you. I'm good. Okay. Jump cut? Where till?
Alright, now for the taste test. Baby Ashley would be here, but I think she quit. According to our producer. Alright, let's eat the sandwich, I guess. That's good. That's good. The sweetness and the saltiness merged correctly. I thought it was going to be a little bit disgusting, but it's good. Fantastic. KFC's on to something. Or am I on to something? I don't know. But, don't make this at home. If you have kids, don't make this. This will kill your family. Well, that's it for today's episode of Neon Kitchen. I'm your host, Josh. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, evening, whatever. Remember to take your babies out of the oven at 350. And,